Another decorate with me Christmas tree video? Uh-uh. I got a twist on this. Come on, guys. I'll show you what I'm up to. Hey, YouTube. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl, Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. So make sure you click on that subscribe button and that little bell. That's important. Okay. Hi, guys. How's it going? Is everyone having a great day so far? First of all, happy Monday, because it is Monday. Okay. Let's get right into this, because you all know that I'm a big babbler. And you're probably thinking to yourself, what is she talking about? Her title says how to decorate a Christmas tree. Why is she sitting on a chair? Aha! This is how to decorate your Christmas tree with a twist. Guys, how many Christmas decorate with me Christmas tree videos have you seen already? Tons? Tons. Me personally, I've already seen tons. And I'm sure that I will see a ton more. And not to say that I might not do another one, because I got those, I got another 4 trees. But I wanted to switch this video up a little bit and give my best tips how to decorate a Christmas tree high-end to make it look like a true designer store window Christmas tree. These are all ideas I have compiled together, and I want to share them with you. Okay, first things first. You cannot make a mistake, ever. No, you cannot. Decorating a Christmas tree is very personal, and there's no mistakes. You do what you love in your home, because you're the one that's going to enjoy this tree, not us. So tip number 1, do whatever you love. Now, in saying that, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Tip number 1, how to get a true designer Christmas tree. Try and buy the best Christmas tree you can. One that has a lot of texture, a lot of interest, the most branches, because it's the branches, not the height and the width that matter. It's the amount of tips that matter on a tree. The more tips on a Christmas tree, the better quality it is. So think of that when you're shopping for a tree. Okay, tip number 2. Lighting. Lighting, and more lighting, and more lighting. You can never have enough lights. What does that mean? Get yourself a pre-lit tree. Now, some pre-lit trees, depending on their price range, will come with a few lights, and then you can add more lights to it. And some pre-lit trees that are in the high end will come with a huge amount of lights. Those you don't have to add more lights to. So again, tip number 1 is find the tree with the most tips, and tip number 2 is find the tree with the most lights. Okay, now you got your bases covered. And you're also going to pick a tree that fits the height of your room and the width of your room. Sometimes you'll find that you like a tree, but it's too wide. Like my personal Christmas tree that I showed you here is a very, very wide Christmas tree, like excessively wide. I had to take out the chairs and the table that was in the spot to fit just the tree, and I had to move my dining room chair from the end cap of my table, because that's how big the tree is. Okay. Tip number 3, ribbon. You want to create a really, really high-end Christmas tree? Ribbon. Ribbon is your best friend. And I'm not talking just take one ribbon. No. That's not going to cut it. You need 2 to 3 ribbons. 3 different kinds of ribbon. Okay, let me show you what I'm going to use. Okay, this is what I'm talking about when I talk about ribbon, and why you want to use 2 to 3 different kinds. This is going to be your main ribbon, the one with the pattern on it, the one that evokes the most style. And this is going to be your complementary ribbon, which will be your complementary color. So this is my main ribbon, and I chose this one because it has a burlap background and the gold and the champagne, because this is the style I am going for. Now you can use any color, but as long as it's your main focus, which evokes the style of your tree, and then your complementary color, which is your secondary ribbon, and then your third ribbon. This one is more a filler ribbon, will give it a lush look. I chose this one. You can choose anything you want. It is very good to use something see-through so you can see the ornaments behind that ribbon. And I'm panning across so you can see it. And this is how it all ties in. And you could see all my colors here tie in. So the champagne of the bulbs tie into this. The gold on that ornament ties into my main ribbon, and then the champagne see-through one so you can see all the ribbon. And I will show you the tree at the end. So you picked your tree, you got your lighting, you got your ribbon. Done. Now, ornaments. How important are ornaments? Ornaments are so important, and you need different size ornaments. Okay, let me explain. Okay, guys, so let me show you the ornaments, some of the ornaments that I'm going to use and why I'm going to use them. First, these are a little bit larger ornaments, and you could also go a size bigger than this. I don't have them on hand to show you, but you'll see them in the tree. I do use an even bigger size than this. This is probably on the larger side. This one is a very ornate ornament, and this is very expensive, and this is cheapy plastic. Yeah, well, we call it shatterproof now. I mean, back in the day, used to call this plastic. So a shatterproof ornament, and then a glass, very expensive ornament. Okay, I like to mix and match them. If you know me at all, I love mixing, matching ornaments. Okay, so I use ornaments with texture on them, and this is what I'm going to show you. So you need some ornaments with texture and interest, because that gives it some interest on your tree. And now, depending on your theme that you're going for, you want to use ornaments that are plain, like this champagne gold one, and ornaments that are also textured like this, because this is what gives your tree that high-end look, a lot of texture and interest. Now, these are just the ornaments. These are not what I call the fluff. Okay, let me show you the fluff. Okay, this is what I call the fluff. This is the type of ornament that you would gather throughout the years. You can make some your own. This is one that I made years and years ago when I had no money. And it's stuff like this, like your snowflakes, things that represent your family. I'm Christian, and my family celebrates the birth of Jesus, so I like to use religious ornaments in my tree. Angel wings are another ornament that I like to use in my tree, and this is what I call ornaments of fluff. And this is where the sentimental stuff comes in. And let me show you. I found it because I was looking for this. This little ornament here is the original ornament I gave my husband on our very first Christmas together. And it says, our first Christmas together, 1997. And I was really happy that I found this, actually. So those are what I would call your fluff ornaments. Okay, so then you put your fluff ornaments in your tree. Okay, last tip. Okay, guys, this is my very last tip on how to make a designer high-end Christmas tree. It's called the icing on the cake. Why am I calling that, you think? Think of your Christmas tree in layers. You have your cake, which is your tree. Then you have the main icing, which are the lights. And then you have your decor, which are your ornaments. And then you have your fluff, which is like, you know, the extra intricate stuff. But then you always have that little special touch. this is my special touch. It is icicles. Let me show you what I'm talking about. And I have so many sizes here because I've been using these throughout the years. I have large ones, medium ones, and real small ones. And I keep them all in the same color family. I usually just do iridescent, this kind of white and clear. And I place this on every branch. Like every tip of the tree will have an icicle, because to me, that is like the small detail that you don't think about, but it's all in the details. And another thing, because it is Christmas time and it is winter outside, snowflakes. Now I've collected these over the years for so many years, and these are very inexpensive iridescent snowflakes. And I also have them in gold and white. Hold on, let me get them out. I have this white one here, if you can see it there, and it's got glitter on it. And these are quite old. Let me see if I can get a gold one out. Okay. Yeah, they're really intertwined with each other. And here's the gold ones. Okay, so these all together, when you see them together and in the tree, they all fit the theme. All right, so now you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, she is doing a cream, white, gold, and champagne tree. Yes. And that's my tree, and it fits into my decor, and that's what I like. And I've collected these things over the year, and it's hard for me to change up. Now you might see another color in this tree. Not sure yet. Not sure if I'm going to do that. But all these tips I gave you are perfect for any theme. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my tree. It's all done and all decorated, and I'll be right back. My video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you liked my tips. Go have fun, decorate your trees any which way you want, use all the color you want, use all your creativity. Follow my rules, don't follow my rules. I hope you liked this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. I hope it didn't bore you too much, because I just didn't want to do another decorate with me video. So, happy decorating, happy Monday to all my subscribers. I love you guys. I love you guys. I think I will see you tomorrow. If not tomorrow, I will see you on Wednesday for sure. Because I'm also going to announce the winners of the giveaway. So, yeah, I'm doing that. And I will see you guys really soon. Bye, guys. Have an awesome week ahead. And remember, declare it. Please declare it. This week is going to be amazing. This week is going to be beyond amazing. Magical things will happen. Bye, guys. Love you.